So today we are going to make no-fail caramel, and we're going to use that using a can of condensed milk. So we're going to take the label off and then put it in a nice deep pot. I'm doing 2 here. You can do as many as you like, as long as they're not like squashed or touching, because we want the cans to be fully submerged in the hot water, completely covered top and sides. So what you're going to do is fill up the pot carefully, because you don't want to splash yourself like I just did there. That's not a good thing to do. So we're gonna, once it's all filled, we're gonna simmer that for 3 hours, and you're just gonna keep topping it up to make sure the cans stay covered, otherwise they might explode. That's it, just light it after you've got them covered, not before, because we don't want things to explode. I know some people have an issue with the ring tops because they think it's gonna just completely explode, but it's not as long as you keep it covered. And once you're done, you let it cool down, take it out and open it up to reveal delicious, golden, lovely caramel. You can put this in the fridge and it will keep for like a week, or you can just grab a spoon and start eating it now. If you like the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and if there's something you want me to make, let me know!